and we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 159. Let's talk about skin retouching and what tool to use. Is it better to use the clone stamp tool or the healing brush? At first I copy the original, pressing Ctrl J, and I'm on the copy layer right here. Now we want to get rid of the smaller, pimple. I use the healing brush. I have to size it down up here to 50. I hold Alt and left click on the reference point, so where the skin is clean. And then I left click over what I want to remove. And you can see this actually works pretty well. Then you press Ctrl Z to undo, and then I use the clone stamp tool. I've introduced both tools in the last two tutorials. They work somewhat the same. Let me size that down to 50 as well. I hold Alt, create a reference point with a left click, and then I left click on what I want to remove. And here you can see that doesn't work as well. And that's why we need the healing brush. So in the last tutorial we needed a clone stamp, but here the healing brush is way better, because the healing brush, it blends it. So whatever you want to remove is being blended with your reference point. And this creates definitely better results when it comes to skin retouching, especially when you have, let's say, lower contrast. So we can see these pimples, but they still look like skin. In the last tutorial we've had this beach, and we've replaced umbrellas on it, and there was high contrast, and therefore this didn't work as well. But one thing to add, you can see it right here, let me press Ctrl Z. Sometimes you have to size it down a little bit. So don't make it too big. Just want to get rid of this birthmark. I go to 25. And there's a way better result. But still, this is a method to use when you want to get rid of acne, for example, on skin, birthmarks, stuff like this. So use the healing brush, not the clone stamp, for these kinds of tasks. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.